And now let me give a word for the product manager of the Advantech product. It is Yan Chen.
Hello everyone. I'm Ian, the product manager at Advantech. Today I'm going to introduce our Advantech high-speed measurement solution. So we'll cover several parts. The first part is the overview of our product series. I'll go through the PCIe Express 1700 series and 1800 series, and also the USB series, the USB 4700 series, and also the 5800 series, the plug-and-play measurement solution. And finally, the IDEX solution is our latest modular measurement solution. And also, in the next part, we'll be a little bit dive into the product solution itself, from the general measurement, cost-effective, and performance solutions, and then the DSA, the higher resolution for dedicated to dynamic signal analysis, and also digitizer and the modular solution. And finally, we'll talk a bit about the DECnavi or software solution. So let's dive in. First one, the product series overview. In the very beginning, our products cover several areas of applications, from the electric manufacturing that is really popular in Asia, and also semiconductor. While the manufacturing, you need a test in every single station and the process. So that's also applied to semiconductor. And also, it mostly applied to the world food and beverage. It's all about the automation, like the process control and the conveyor control, and also the quality control. So that's one of the places that the high-speed DEC is used to. So, and on the other hand, the component manufacturing, something like the electric manufacturing, it also has a quality control, quality test, and you have to test the electric properties of your final products. So you still have the high-speed DEC to measure the signal. So as to the test and measurement part, that's not covered in the above, something like condition monitoring your machine or your motor or something else. And we do a lot of that kind of applications not covered in the above categories. So next up, our product series, we cover, just as I said in the agenda, we have PCI and PCI Express card, and also the plug-and-play solution, the USB 2.0 and 3.0 solutions, and also the modular DEC, IDEX 700, 800, and also the 900 series. And cover all of these, you can utilize all the DEC cards, DEC devices via our software DECnavi. Our software covers a lot of development environments from Windows, Linux, and also support multiple programming languages for a programmer to choose from. If you are familiar with C, C++, and also C#, Python. The Python is really popular in recent days when the data analytics are really, and AI are really popular these days. You can catch the vibration data and then use third-party library, inject it into Python, do the analysis. So Python is really important one in our support. And also the .NET family, they also have VB.NET. And also in the test and measurement area, the LabVIEW is one of the most important development environment in the industry. And also we support the MATLAB for some numerical analysis. Okay, so firstly, we'll talk about the PCIe 1800 series. For all of our PCIe cards, is the best technology we put onto. So it has a really high speed, up to 125 megasamples per second, and also the best high accuracy up to 24 bits. And also we provide synchronization over cards, no matter it's over cards or it's in the card itself, all the channels are synchronized. And also we provide a MDSI interface for the cards to have a cable in chassis to synchronize each other. Okay, that's the analog part. And also in the protection part, we introduce some of the cards. They have isolation protection, surge protection, ESD protection in higher level. And also all the cards or the modules are supported by our SDK technology to shorten your development times, supported the latest operating system, and also widely support the development programming languages. Okay, and all of the cards modules inside Advantech are CE and FCC certified. Next up, the PCIe 1700 series is all of the digital I/O cards are in this series, and it provides several features like digital filters to filter down the noises you don't want for some of the cards, the high-end cards, and also the interrupt function to catch the edges for you. You don't need to call up a thread to periodically catch the status. The interrupt function helps you to monitor the I/O status, and then once there's a trigger in, it will generate an interrupt into your application program, and then you can do whatever you want in that kind of the event callback. And also on the relay part, we have a solid state relay integrated in some of the cards so that it has a faster operating time, not unlike the mechanical relay that it operates and it takes longer time. It has an unlimited relay lifespan, not like the mechanical relay. They have a limited lifespan after several switching. Okay, so and also the digital I/Os, they have some of the cards, they have isolation protection, surge, and also ESD protected. Okay, same as the PCIe, all the series, the Dignavy SDK supports all the applications in the supported programming languages. Okay, so before we jump into another series, here's some application that we made in the past using the PCIe Express cards. This is a project that introduced our PCIe Express 1802, and they use 15 cards inside the chassis to synchronize them together to catch up the NVH test. And there are 120 microphones surround the car and measure the sound back, and then download the details of the car NVH. So this is one of the applications that we did before using the car and synchronization, and also log the data down for post analysis. So on the other hand, in the automated testing, the IC wafer testing, in the package process, they have to test the wafer beforehand of cutting, and then they just use the PCIe 1812 and also the PCIe 1824. One is for analog output, and the other is for analog input. So the one of them generate the working voltage, and then on the IC they have many test points to test the signal, and then the PCIe 1812 measures the signal back and calculate if the quality is good. And also this is an automated test machine. All they have a process control like the indicators, they have a button to monitor if they push the like something like emergency button, and also they have limit switches for safety, for human safety, and also the automation process. So they use the PCIe 1700 series. They use 1753 two pieces to do the process control and make this one an automated testing system.